Hi guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to make a melting 3D text easy in After Effects. To make a 3D text I will be using Element 3D plugin, so let's begin. First of all, let's hit on track camera here and wait until analyzing is done. Once it's done, I will select some points on car, because I want my text to be tracked right above the car. Now right click on selected points and select create solid and camera. Let's grab a text tool now and write anything. Now toggle off your text and then create new solid layer. I will name it element and then hit OK. Now let's apply element effect on that solid. Expand custom layers, then custom text and masks and change path layer 1 to a text you have created. Now click on scene setup. In a element window, click on extrude to add the text here. Now in case you want to adjust your text, make sure to expand extrusion model and select bevel 1. Now down here feel free and adjust the text on your wish. In my case I will just extrude the text to make it slightly thicker. Now click on presets here and then under a materials click on physical. Choose any built-in preset here. I will select paint red and then hit OK. Now let's check if the text is tracked perfectly. And as you can see it's not tracked at all, and to fix it, we will need to select track solid layer and press P on a keyboard. Now make sure to copy Z position and then select element layer, then expand group 1, then particle replicator and make sure to paste position Z right here. Now expand particle look and then bump up particle size until it's fine to you, and then let's check if the text is tracked. And as you see it's fixed and tracked perfectly. Now let's correct position of the text. For example, I want it to be right above the car, so let's play around with position X and Y. In case you want to rotate the text, expand rotation here and change rotations as well. Once we are done with positioning the text, we can apply a melting effect. First make sure to scroll to the very beginning of element layer and then apply liquefy effect. Let's select that finger tool and then click on distortion mesh stopwatch icon. Now scroll to the end of the layer and then by holding mouse left click drag your text down like that. Let's quickly check it. In case it's not enough, scroll to the end and continue doing the same until you will be satisfied with the effect, and we are done with this easy and cool effect. Once you are satisfied with it, we can add some glow to make it shiny. I will use a deep glow plugin. That looks so cool to me. Finally toggle off track solid layer and we are ready to go. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.